What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hardball, and today we're gonna be washing the 2022 ZX-6R. She got real dirty. Haven't washed her about a week or two. Should probably do some chain maintenance as well. It's been a hot minute since I've had to do one of those. So let's just stop talking and let's get to washing. Oh, there she is, boy. Dirty, dirty. Don't worry, we'll clean you up. All right, let's get going. Let's get started. All right, next up, I like to clean the chain in the garage. That way I can just kind of roll it back and forth inside here because we have a slanted driveway. So let me grab the bike, bring it in the garage, and we'll get the chain clean and lubed up. Also, this is the stock exhaust that it comes with. Big old heavy lunk of metal. So you can probably guess where this is gonna be going. Alright guys, so I just wanted to give you a little quick peek at see what the heck I'm using for my chain care kit. This is basically it. You can pick this up at any motorcycle store available, basically any store. And this is about 30 bucks, I want to say, give or take. I'm sure you can probably find something a little bit more affordable. But this is what I use, this is what I got. Yeah, so we're just gonna get started and go from there. Alright, so first we're obviously going to start with the chain cleaner. Here it is right here. And what I'm going to have to do is basically kind of just roll the bike back and forth to get the whole chain clean, but we'll just start in this section for now and everything underneath. And I'm going to spray away from the rim. In fact, I might actually just go ahead and put a towel back there because we don't want this kind of crap all on the rim and degrade it a little bit. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and just get this started. You can use a decent amount of the cleaner on the chain. It's the lube you don't want to obviously overdo. It's not necessary even, but this brush right here obviously covers 3 of the sides that needs to be cleaned. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start from top here and then work my way down. You can already see too the difference it's gonna make. That little rust color that was coming in just from that little area already cleaned up. You can see how much of a difference it's already made. Stuff works pretty good. Definitely recommend it. Don't be scared too that it just says off-road, like dirt bike type of bikes. It's not that big of a deal. It's pretty much the same stuff. It's not gonna hurt your chain by using this versus street bike specific stuff. I have to tighten the chain too. It feels a little loose just going down from underneath there, and you can probably see, I don't know if you can there, but a little bit of slack. It's not too bad though. Probably need to measure that just to make sure though. Yeah, and that's it. That's all you got to do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and rotate the bike and probably mark it so I kind of remember where I last had the chain at. I'll probably grab a pin or a marker and do that, so bear with me. All right, now we're a little bit further back. Grab my rag here, my rim protector, and put that back there. Stay. I'm sure a lot of you are wondering too, it's like, hardball, why don't you just get a rear tire mount to where you can just rotate the tire without having to spin the bike forward and backwards? Because I don't want one right now. But no, eventually that is going to be in the future. I'm going to be getting one of those rear tire. Oh, there we go. Get that nice and scrubbed. Yeah, I'm going to get one of those rear tire stands. That way I can actually make this a little bit easier, because the way I'm doing it is probably one of the most difficult ways to do it. The bike's leaned over towards me, so it's harder of an angle to get to. Plus, obviously, having to spin it every time is time consuming. And you're not able to like spin it really quickly, spray it, and get a nice clean out of it. But this is good enough too, so. All right, let's go ahead and do another rollback here. Yeah, there you go. That looks really nice. Definitely gonna have to tighten the chain though. We'll probably save that for another video though. A little bit of how-to chain measuring and whatnot. All right, let's do another roll. There we go. All right, hopefully we're about done there. So let's take a look here real quick. All right, boy was I wrong. Still got a little bit more to go. Okay, so we definitely have a little bit more to go here. Let's spray all this down. I'm being naughty, I didn't put the rag down. I'll be good about wiping it up though, I promise. Another trick you can do too, if you don't have much space to work with and you don't have a rear tire lift stand, is you can just try to pick up your bike and rotate the tire in place so you don't have to move your bike. I'll kind of show you what that looks like real quick. So yeah, you just do something like this. You just kind of lift it up and then spin the rear tire. Takes a little bit of effort, but not too much. It looks like we pretty much got most of all of it. Okay. Yeah, I think we're good enough on the cleaning here. We'll call that good. Go ahead and spray some more and then kind of wipe it up. All that nasty gunk, you see that black gunk coming out. Then we'll go ahead and lube it up. Completely ruin it. That's okay though, we have more. That's why they make more, so we can get new towels, right? Because this is gonna get real dirty real quick. Now this part definitely is where having a rear tire stand comes in real handy. Because you can just spin this thing and clean it. Then maybe even do a little water spray down at the end. That's pretty good. Let's go ahead and spin the bike up a little bit. Go this way. Just be careful when you do this so the bike doesn't tilt and fall over. That's good. And after washing your bike, try not to touch too many things because your hands are going to be filthy with or without gloves. Ouch. Getting slippery here. Do one more spin and then look at it, not spray it, and then we'll go ahead and start lubing it up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and use this stuff here, guys. Chain lube off-road, because we like to go off-road on this bike, right? So very not generous, I'm sorry, small amount. We don't need a lot. Make sure you get all of it sides, front, top, bottom. Try not to get any on your tire, you're gonna start slipping all over the place. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Improvise, work with what you got, right guys? This is what we're doing today. Oh yeah, see, I already got all this. Being really naughty and not doing the other side that well, but it's okay. Don't need to like try to wipe it off, but kind of just dab it a little bit. So that way it's not spraying and flying around everywhere when you start riding. There we go. This will be another throwaway rag. Oh yeah, see, I can feel some of that lube on this rim. It's a little slippery, so I'm starting to see the green, so I think we're already at the point where we've hit everything. Let's do a quick little dab up. Alright everybody, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video on how I clean my 22 ZX-6R and chain maintenance. She's definitely looking way better. Now we just did a quick clean in here. I still gotta go back and actually take care of this rim and tire so there's no lube or chain cleaner on it. A little bit of poor lighting, so you won't be able to really see too much of the niceness and shine from it, but yeah, comment down below what you guys think. Did I do a decent job? What could I have done better? Some tips like that would help out a bunch. But until next time, catch you in the next video. Peace!
Close your eyes.